History of the vehicle, very important. I told them when this fault occurred. After the vehicle was in an accident, they said. Well, I'm gonna restart. Gonna keep going here now and driving it. I will record, what happened, because it's tough, to be driving and recording. So we're gonna record about any changes now. CMP, camshaft position sensor, signal, and ground. I'm using a sensor ground to get a cleaner signal. Right here. Welcome to Joel Automotive in Action. Let's go through this diagnostic process. So there we have here the diagnostic trouble codes. So let's check for some data. We're having for the bank 2, sensor 2, for the auto sensor for the downstream. The ignition key is on the on position, and I wanted to check for bias voltage right now. That's the only thing I wanted to check for now, because I do not want to heater up the exhaust. We need to smoke test the system when it's cold. Then we have here the evap smoke machine with the homemade style. Pretty good. I like it. There's the heater down here, pressure here, and a couple regulator here, check valve, and another one here. And then we have it with this. And let's go and look and find out about the leak. What is the leak? Since the bias voltage is okay, we wanted to check for exhaust leak. With that exhaust leak, large exhaust leak there, and look at the auto sensor, how far is from that one. So from here is making a suction, and the extra oxygen is the one is making to create those two coils, because this one has auto sensor new here. All auto sensors are new on this. So let's fix this and retest. Okay, do we have any differences in between them? The bank 2, this is the one we're having the code for, the DTC. No, pretty much the bias voltage for, for the two rear auto sensors is 447, and for the front is 451. Well, let's start the vehicle. I'm looking at this sensor. It's staying at the bias voltage, doing nothing. Look at this, the bank 1 sensor 2. But this one is stuck. How about if we do a wide open throttle? Look how all others change, except that one. Okay, let's check the ground on that one. Let's do that. Let's check this one is the sensor 2. Look how that one is stuck, while the other one are fluctuating. All of them are fluctuating except this one. Look, if I accelerate, look, accelerate. Good sensor. Bad sensor. and connect it here to the pin on the negative side of the O2 sensor, the white color. And let me get this one. Okay, let's touch this one, and I get nothing on the Power Pro. So I do not have ground. Let's change that one to the power side. I should have for almost 500 millivolts of the bias voltage, and I got nothing. Let's check the other two for the heater. We don't have coil for those, but yes, just to make sure. See, just the flashlight. My flashlight drop. Okay, so we have on the heater portion, we're good. We're good with the heater portion. So our problem is on the sensor side. We don't have anything on the sensor. I can do it unplugged too, just to make sure I'm doing a good contact. Let's do it upside here. Okay, let's check it like this. That should have, that must have voltage. Let's see. I have both right here, and I have nothing. But this one, ground, I got nothing. These are the heater portion. Where is my heater? Can't see it. Right here. See, that one is good. This is for the heater. See, both of these are heater. I got nothing here. I get nothing here. I'm gonna try to find out the broken wire. It seems like this vehicle is being an accident. You can see the wiring harness is loose. So we're gonna start tracing the wires, figure out where is the broken wire. History of the vehicle, very important. I told them when this fault occurred. After the vehicle was in an accident, they said, look at this here. They have done some body work here on these areas. However, with this, I have this one connected to the heater O2 sensor, to the signal wire. I should have 500 millivolts there, and I have nothing. So that means I have an open wire, because the computer is telling me on the scanner is sending out the bias voltage. So the engineers designed this for a reason. Everything, the way how they route the wires, straps, or anything, they have a reason why they do it like that. And here we have this, and inside, right there, is rubbing against something. You can see underneath, but this is being like this all over, so it's been rubbing. Let's go underneath and I'll show you there. Okay. For gonna fix that one and recheck. For the most part, I have seen these. You know, most of the guys who do a body work, they just are concerned about fixing the body stuff, but they don't care about, you know, the wiring and everything. If you tell them, they're like, nah, you're too picky, you think like you're engineer or whatever, but these are the results of this. So they have been replacing O2 sensors, and they wanted to do a computer now, and I came over to do a diagnostic to this shop. Well, let's fix it and recheck. So we have temporary repair here now. Let's go and check to the O2 sensor. I started the vehicle already, the engine. You can see here, I barely started that one, the engine, and then we have the 4 O2 sensor responding now. This is the one we had the call before, you know, bank 2 sensor 2. See, we can see there is response. There is a good response there. So looks like it's acting up same than the other one. So then we gotta just do professional the repair there. Thanks for watching.